2025? Oh, look at it. Bro, it ain't even 2025 yet. How are people getting 2025 whips? Like, what? Nah, if it's an M, that'll top it off. It is! Hey, I'm gonna just follow you.
Follow me?
Yeah. I'm headed to Mighty Muffler right now. Oh. Welcome back to another video. I'm headed to Mighty Muffler right now. Cause I don't know if y'all can hear my exhaust, but my exhaust has a leak. That's why I got my check engine. I believe my check engine is because the exhaust leak is right next to my O2 sensor, and that can throw a check engine code because it thinks something's wrong with the sensor. So to break it down, the car thinks the exhaust leak is making the O2 sensor bad, so dang, bro, it's hot. What is it outside? 87. Yeah, so that's where we're headed to right now. I'm following him because he knows how to get there. Jamming. So a little update, man. So what the muffler shop said was that it's my manifold. Damn, man, that's. But what's it called? I just recently got my catalytic converters, my cats. I recently just got them replaced, so they pretty sure have warranty. So I'm hoping that the mechanic that did it, he'll fix it for me. I mean, he has to, right? So yeah, my cats are bad, or no, the manifold. The leak's coming from the manifold and it's throwing off the O2 sensor, the bank one O2 sensor. So yeah, we're gonna have to get that fixed ASAP. Damn, I'm on my way to America's Best right now. My cousin, he needs to get his glasses. Nigga's blind like me. That truck scares me. Now we're in Atlanta though, so you have to be mindful of GSP. They do not play. They play with us like we're little toy cars. Nah, GSP is on timing, bro. What is that? What is lightning? Is that like a? I see a lot of RVs. So yeah, man, my manifold has a leak. On a scale of 1 to 10, how severe it could be? Ooh, hold on, that rhymes. My exhaust has a leak. On a severity of how bad is it gonna be? My gosh, sign me. Yeah, but it could be pretty bad. She's sick. My car's sick. We called the mechanic. He said he's on vacation right now, so. But he said we could bring it to him on what's it called, next Monday. So it's all looking good. I know he's stressed already though. I'm already giving him stress. He's not even on vacation yet. I'm like, dang man, I'm messed up. And the thing is, I mean, if I was to own my own business, my kind of thought process is like, if I work on something and it doesn't work, or it doesn't fix the problem with the reason he brought it to me for, I'm gonna do it free of charge. Because the whole point was to, okay, the whole point is to fix the problem, you know. And basically, he didn't fix the problem. So I mean, I think he'd do it for free. You think my alignment's good? Not bad, right? Could be a little better. Could be a little better. Yeah, that air's crazy. And he got his glasses. How about to be hopping a Tesla?
Connected.
I'll follow you.
Okay. I'm on the wrong side of the road? I think so. I ain't gonna lie, once you get rid of that fear, like me personally, I was scared of having this camera on my head, but now like once you get rid of that fear, bro, you feel unstoppable. I feel like nothing can touch me. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie. I almost gave this Honda Sonata driver a new car. Korean barbecue. Oh my goodness. Korean barbecue be so good. Y'all let me know. I would say I have pretty short videos. Y'all let me know if y'all would like longer videos. 20-minute long videos, 30-minute long videos, even an hour. An hour is nothing. I look at them with the camera on my head because, you know, I feel like it serves dominance. You know? Damn, bro, this light's taking mad long. I wonder if I watch TikTok, that'll give me copyright.
Oh, yeah. All right, kids.
In case I don't see ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Oh my gosh. New superchargers. Oh, never mind. I think that's a new supercharger. No, it's not no supercharger over there. I was about to say Hellcat.
In case I don't see ya.
Hey guys.
Hay un carro ahí. I didn't see that, man. I promise you, I'm not a bad driver. That car's riding his butt. I promise you, I did not see that car, man. Who's
So,
this
pretty somber vid. Today, I'm not gonna lie to you. So just letting everyone here know, all my followers, all my people that support me, and just people that know me in real life. God is true.
That's not D. Kane.
God has truly blessed me at the end of this month. I am now in a position where I've received the most money I've ever received in my life. And I feel truly blessed for that. It makes me think of this verse, a wise man saves for the future. This is one thing I wish I understood when I was younger. Because when you're young, you're thinking short term here. You're thinking, it's the weekend, we're gonna go party, we're gonna blow money.
I feel like that's why, hold on, let me open the windows up because, you know, we're getting serious now. I feel like that's why patience is such an important thing, man. Once you learn to have patience, bro, you're not an animal, man. Not an actual animal, you know what I mean? But like, patience is key, bro. Like, that's a nice beamer. What is that? That was new. That, bro, that's 2025. That's 2025 headlights. Bro, where do people be pulling money out of, bro? 2025? Bro, look at it. Bro, it ain't even 2025 yet. How are people getting 2025 whips? Like, what? Nah, if it's an M, that'll top it off. It